Good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
I am good, but my head is a little tired.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, but I am very confused this morning.
Why are you confused?
I don't know what day it is.
Today is Wednesday.
Are you sure? I thought it was Tuesday.
No, yesterday was Tuesday.
Wow, this week is going by very fast.
Yes, it really is.
Can I ask you a question?
Of course. What is it?
What is today's date?
Let me check the calendar on my phone.
My phone is in my bag right now.
Today is the 4th of October.
The 4th of October? Are you serious?
Yes, it is October 4th.
Oh no, I have so much work to do.
Why are you so worried?
I have a big project due very soon.
When is the project due?
It is due on the 10th of October.
The 10th is next Tuesday.
That means I only have 6 days left.
You still have the whole weekend to work on it.
I don't like working on Saturdays and Sundays.
Well, you might have to this time.
Let me look at your calendar, please.
Here's my phone. You can look.
So, today is the 4th. Tomorrow is the 5th.
Yes, and Friday is the 6th.
I also have a doctor's appointment this month.
What date is your appointment?
I think it is on the 14th.
Let's check what day the 14th is.
Okay, let me scroll down on your calendar.
The 14th of October is a Saturday.
Oh, that is perfect. I don't have to miss work.
Yes, Saturday appointments are very convenient.
What time is your appointment on the 14th?
It is at 10 o'clock in the morning.
You should set a reminder on your phone.
That is a very good idea.
Do you have any big plans for this month?
Yes, I'm going to a concert.
A concert? That sounds so fun.
I am very excited about it.
When is the concert?
It is on the 21st of October.
The 21st. Is that a weekend too?
Yes, it is the following Saturday.
October is a very busy month for both of us.
It really is. There's always something happening.
Speaking of dates, did you pay your rent?
Oh, my rent. When is it due?
Rent is usually due on the 1st of the month.
So it was due on October 1st.
Yes, the 1st was 3 days ago.
I completely forgot to pay it.
You need to pay it today.
Will I have to pay a late fee?
Usually, you have until the 5th to pay without a fee.
Oh, thank goodness. Today is only the 4th.
Yes, you still have 1 day left.
I will pay it online as soon as I get home.
I always pay my rent on the 28th.
You pay it before the month ends?
Yes, so I never forget.
That is a very smart habit.
Does anything special happen at the end of October?
Yes, the 31st of October is Halloween.
Oh, I love Halloween.
Do you wear a costume?
Yes, I dress up every year on the 31st.
I'm going to buy a lot of candy for the children.
I need to buy a pumpkin before the 30th.
Supermarkets sell pumpkins all month.
What about November? Do you have plans next month?
Yes, I'm taking a short vacation in November.
That is wonderful. Where are you going?
I'm flying to Florida.
What dates are you going to be there?
I'm going from the 5th to the 12th of November.
From the 5th to the 12th. That's a full week.
Yes, 7 days of sunshine.
Did you book your flight yet?
Yes, I fly out on the morning of the 5th.
And you return on the 12th.
Yes, I return on Sunday the 12th.
I have a family event in November too.
What is the event?
It is my sister's birthday.
When is her birthday?
Her birthday is on the 2nd of November.
The 2nd of November is very soon.
I know, it's less than a month away.
Did you buy her a gift yet?
Not yet. I will buy it on the 20th of October.
That gives you plenty of time.
I need to fill out a form for work today.
Do you need a pen?
Yes, please. Can I borrow your blue pen?
Here you go.
The form asks for today's date.
Don't forget, today is the 4th.
How should I write it on the paper?
In America, we write the month first.
So I write 10, then 4, then the year?
Yes, exactly. 10-4.
What if I was in Europe?
In Europe, they write the day first.
So it would be 4-10?
Yes, it can be very confusing for travelers.
I'm glad we're using the American format today.
Let me make sure you wrote it correctly.
Does this look right to you?
Yes, October 4th. Perfect.
Thank you for your help.
You were very welcome.
I have one more date to ask you about.
Okay, what is it?
When is our next company meeting?
The company meeting is on the 15th.
The 15th of October?
Yes, it is always on the 15th of every month.
I need to write all these dates down in my notebook.
You should buy a paper calendar for your desk.
I think I will do that this weekend.
It really helps you remember things.
My memory is getting very bad.
My memory is bad too. That is why I use my phone.
Phones are very useful for remembering dates.
I have an alarm for my rents now.
Set it for the 1st of every month.
I just did. It will ring on November 1st.
That is a great idea.
Well, I need to go to the post office now.
Are you mailing a letter?
Yes, I am mailing a birthday card to my friend.
When is your friend's birthday?
His birthday is on the 9th of October.
The 9th is next Monday.
Yes, so I need to mail it today.
It usually takes 3 days for mail to arrive.
So it will arrive on the 7th or 8th.
Exactly. It will be there before the 9th.
Perfect timing.
I will go back to my desk and start working.
Don't forget about your big project.
I won't. I will finish it before the 10th.
Good luck with all your work.
Thank you. Good luck at the post office.
Thanks. Have a great Wednesday.
You have a great Wednesday too.
See you later.
Bye. Don't forget to pay your rent.
I won't. Thanks for reminding me.